guys, Vera Sweeney here, and today I am going to do an e.l.f. unboxing. I got a blogger PR box from the beauty team. I'm part of their beauty squad, and they always send me a fun little monthly box, and I like makeup and I like skincare products, so I think it's always fun to get a little YouTube video going on. Right away we have Prismatic Lip Gloss in Rose Quartz. I'm gonna try it on. Now I feel like gloss is something that you can do to look more youthful. So when you wear matte lipstick, I think people that can wear matte lipstick are tend to skew younger. So I feel like when you get a little bit older, matte lipstick tends to show the lines in your lips. You know, usually when people get a little bit older, they start doing filler. And the matte lipstick looks very dry. It dries out your upper lips, and then you can see all those fine lines around your lips. And so I always tend to go for the glossy look because you can't see those fine lines. Now, I want to say before I say anything else in the video, none of that matters. So all the beauty rules are thrown out the window nowadays in 2018. So me saying don't wear matte lipstick to a 50-year-old woman, if you want to wear matte lipstick, go right ahead. I mean, it's not, you know, it doesn't apply anymore. You do what you want to do. You do what feels best. That's just my personal recommendation, but my #1 recommendation is do what makes you feel beautiful. And if that makes you feel beautiful, go right ahead and do it. So let's start with this and see how it looks. So like I said, I totally love the glossy look. And to be honest with you, I have a 12-year-old, soon-to-be teenager in June, and she's going to fight me for this when she comes home. So I have to start doing sit-ups and push-ups because I'm going to have a wrestling match with her as soon as she walks in the door. So they also sent over, what is the color of this? Oh, amethyst. So they have a purple color as well for the lip gloss. So maybe I'll give her the amethyst and then I'll keep the rose quartz because the rose quartz is more up my alley. Okay, so this has become, by the way, I have one already sent to me. This has become my travel palette. I keep it. I have a second travel bag. I travel a lot. I don't know if you read my blog or if you're just on YouTube, but if you read my blog, I do a lot of travel for my work. And so I have 2 separate bags. And this is a really great travel tip for people who are constantly on the go. I sort of have a double beauty bag. I have the one that I keep in my bathroom that has all of my full-size products and everything that I use on a regular basis. And then I have a travel bag filled with my absolute necessities for every day, which means that if I need foundation and I wear that every day, I have a second one that I take with me. And then I have the things that I need, but I don't need the full sizes. I can use sort of like I sort of make do when I'm traveling, but I still need a lot of color palette ideas for my eyes because going from day to night, going from work events, sometimes it's glam red carpet, sometimes it's meeting the CEO of a new firm that I'm working with. I need options. And so e.l.f. absolutely has really great eyeshadow palettes, and they sent 2 of them here, and both of them work for my skin tone, quite frankly, and really great options. So they have sort of like more of like the muted blue hues, and then they have more of like the warmer tones that I mean, either one of these work. I mean, to me this feels like more like wintry, and then this would be more summery, but I pretty much have I think I have this one on more, but I mean, I would wear either one of these at any given time. So I packed the one that they had gave me last month is in my travel bag now, and that's my new eyeshadow color for when I'm on the go, because you can really, if you think about it, you can make so many different colors, color designs with this combo. All right, so as you can see, they have the purple hues, and then they have the deep for your creases, and then they have the highlighter. I mean, everything is going on here. This is absolute perfection. It's really, I almost feel like I don't think think I used this when I did my eyes this morning, but it really feels like what I have going on my face. Obsessed. And the price is right. I wish they gave me the price points. I don't have the price points here, do I? Let me see the back of this. Too bad. Nope. They should give me the price points of these. I would tell you guys. Okay. Anyway, the eyeshadow palettes must buy. I mean, not only are they great for you, they're great for travelers, they're great for gift giving. Again, I have teenagers. Like, this is a really great, a sweet 13. You don't know how many gala parties I'm going to. My daughter is invited to galas. Like, no longer sweet 13 roller skate pizza things that I grew up to. Like, no, she's going like in gowns and like party dresses and rented out restaurants. I'm like, what is going on? But that's like the new world that we're living in. This is a great little set that you can give to a teenager for her sweet 13 if you have any teens. Okay, so then we have Daily Defense Makeup Mist. So let's talk about this. I just want to, before I tell you, I want to see when this goes on. So use throughout the day, under or over makeup as often as needed. Very interesting. Okay, so hold the bottle a few inches from your face with your eyes closed and spritz. Okay, so this helps protect against environmental aggressors, and it basically helps keep your makeup on. So who needs to use this? Anybody. But I'm going to talk to moms for 1 second. Women of a certain age, at a certain point in our lives, it starts getting harder and harder to leave the makeup on our face. It's harder to maintain and keep the makeup on our face. You'll notice that you put your makeup on in the morning, and then by lunchtime you have no makeup on, and you're like, where's my makeup? It's because you didn't put primer on, and it's because you're not using products like this. So we need, because naturally our skin is starting to lose things, even though we don't want to believe it, even though we don't look like we're getting older, right? We're sort of getting older. And so products like this really matter. So the Beauty Shield is not only protecting ourselves from nature, but it's also helping keep our makeup on and lasting longer, which is what I want. I would like my makeup to last until I get home. Okay, I don't like reapplying stuff while I'm out during the day. I'll reapply my lipstick because I'm eating and I'm doing all these other things, but I really hate it when I'm at a restaurant or something and I go to the bathroom and I look and then it looks like my rosacea is coming through the mirror. That really bothers me because I have rosacea and it's a big pain point for me. I don't like seeing redness in my face. So whenever I get my makeup done and somebody brings out blush, I start having a panic attack. I'm like, no, I don't want any blush. You know, please give me all the bronzer you want, but I don't want any red on my face. And so when the makeup starts coming off, I start seeing that red. And so I need primer. I need different things like that to help me make sure that my makeup stays put. And I'm also noticing now that I've turned 40 that my eye makeup is starting to not stay. And there is actually eye makeup primer, which I'm sure that e.l.f. also carries. I don't have it on me to show you, but there's these things that exist. I mean, it has to, you know, you go into stores and you say, oh gosh, they're showing me all this stuff. They just want me to buy stuff. They don't want you to buy stuff. The stuff actually works. You need this stuff. This stuff is important. So the Beauty Shield, why don't we open it up? Let's take a look. So it says here that it has antioxidants in it. Has vitamin E. Protects your skin against everyday and environmental aggressors. Okay. Freshes the face of your mist. Okay, I'm going to spray it first before I spray it on my face. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so use throughout the day to refresh the look of your makeup. It also gives you that dewy look, that glow. So in the 90s, again, it was all about being matte. And it was all about having that sort of firm, solid, I don't even know, like powdery, like you're just like, you look like you had a lot of powder on your face, right? Like that was very much the look. When I was in high school, it was like, you know, you could put so much powder on your face, you almost look like a mannequin. But nowadays, it's more about having that like dewy, sun-kissed glow, morning glow. You're glistening, you're not sweating. It's not trying to look like you're sweating, but it's like that youngness, like you're like fresh, like it's like a fresh look. You're supposed to have more of that, like that fresh, vibrant vibe, right? And so again, that's sort of what this spray is about. To be honest with you, this is saying all throughout the day, this isn't something I would carry. I'm not somebody that likes to carry liquids like this. Like even my concealer, I use a stick. I use a Bobbi Brown stick because I travel so much, and I like to use the stick because it's super heavy, like it's a heavy concealer, and it's not a liquid because I'm always on the go and I need to keep it in the bag with me. So this is something that I think would be good if you keep it at home, so before you leave the house, or if you're in an office and you want to keep it at your desk. This is something that I think that's how I would use this. Or again, if I'm traveling, I would keep it in the hotel with me. So those are some options for you to consider. So this was a great little box. Again, really loving the gloss. Beauty Shield, I told you how and when I would use that and who should use that. And then again, the showstopper for me, and this isn't the first time I've seen this. I use this product and I love it. I wish I knew the price point. It doesn't have it on here either. You know what I'll do? I'll pop up the links below in the YouTube comments so you guys can see all the prices and all the links for everything, so you could direct buy these things. Oh, and then also it says you guys can check out more information if you want at Elf Cosmetics with the hashtag, I'm sorry, with the @ symbol, and then the hashtag is Festival Vibes by Elf. So again, I'll also pop that up for you guys to check out if you want to see what other creators are talking about and how they are using the products themselves. So thank you everybody for checking out my latest blogger haul with Elf. And moms, I hope I gave you some ideas about how you can change your makeup routines to work with our newly updated and better skin. We're not talking about this negatively, ladies. We're talking about this in a good way. We are moms and we are embracing our new lives and our new skin, and it is okay because I am 40 and I have 3 kids and I look good, damn it. All right, so that's it guys, and I will see you girls next time. Bye.